Hello and welcome to our Excel overview video. I'm excited to explore the world of Excel with you. Now, before we dive in, let's talk about why Excel is so important for data analysts like you. Think of Excel as your data's best friend. It helps tidy up messy information, crunch numbers in a snap, and even creates colorful charts with your data. It is like a magic wand for making data easier to understand and work with. In this video, we will explore Excel's user-friendly interface and sail through worksheets. Before exploring Excel, let's see from where can we get Excel. For Windows users, you have to click on search icon and type Microsoft Store. Open it and search for Office 365. Then you can see various options. Among that, you can see free option for downloading Microsoft 365. Now for Mac friends, get the App Store, search for Excel for Mac. Then you can get it easily through a few clicks. Well, with that sorted, let's open our Excel and have a look around. Once Excel is opened, you may see recently used spreadsheet and you may have a place to open new workbook. Also, you can see more templates by clicking on this button. To open a new workbook, we need to click on this blank workbook. Now, let's sail smoothly through Excel basics. This is a Excel spreadsheet with rows and columns. This is row 5 and this row 12 and this is column A, column E, column I and so on. Each intersection of a row and a column is called a cell. Now, this is the intersection of column F and row 7. So, this cell is named as F7. Similarly, this is D1. You can easily see this in the name box. These cells are where you can input various types of data such as numbers, text, and more. They are like the building block of your spreadsheet. Too many cells together form a range. Here, this range starts from cell D4 till cell G10. So we will write it as D4 is to G10. All these are done on one sheet. So this is one spreadsheet or sheet or named as a worksheet. You can add more sheets to this by simply clicking on this plus icon. All these sheets together form a workbook. Next to name box, you can see a formula bar where you can enter formula while performing calculations. Here on the top of each sheet, you can see tabs such as Home, Insert, Page Layout, and so on. Each tab has different set of toolbar known as ribbon. For instance, if I click on Insert tab, I get a Insert ribbon. Now, each ribbon is divided into groups. Each groups are divided by a line. Here in Insert ribbon, we can see Tables group, Data from picture, Illustrations, Charts, and so on. Sometimes when all the options can't fit within a group, you can see icon like this. It's called a launch button or dialog box launcher. Not all groups have this launch button. When you click on this launch button, it will open with more options. These are our scroll bars. This one helps to vertically move upwards and downwards, and this one helps to move horizontally forward and backward. And next to this, we can see our zoom slider, and this helps to zoom out and zoom in. Next to that, we have page view buttons. And this is the page break preview used to display the worksheets with colored lines. And this is page layout view, which is designed for viewing the worksheet as it would appear when printed. And this is normal view, which is suitable for working on the content of the spreadsheet. This is our quick access toolbar and this is customizable. So here we can select whatever icons we need on our quick access toolbar and whichever not required. So whatever required just tick mark and others just uncheck it. So now we have home, save as button on my quick access toolbar and let me enter something. Let me type as number. So for the first time, if I have to save my Excel file, then I have to click on save as icon. So it is here on my quick access toolbar. Then I have to name my Excel sheet. Here I'm going to name it as Excel basics. Then I have to find the location for that. Here I have selected desktop. Then in which format I am saving. So here I have selected in the Excel access format. So we have saved our file for the first time. Now if I added some more numbers, then again for saving it, I have to just click on the save. And these things here we can find on the file button also.